Is day 10. It is very early in the morning. I definitely should be asleep. I just got off of work, but had a burst of energy. So I was like, let's make this Christmas ornament. So today's ornament is a poinsettia. Here is the example. And this is what I made. So here is the poinsettia. I have to put a hook on it. The lady in the video, she did with a string, but I decided I'll just put a hook instead. Put it on the tree. Okay, while I'm doing this, today's movie suggestion is Jingle Jangle. It's on Netflix. I'm not sure if it's on anywhere else, but it was very cute. A little girl deals with toys and all types of things. It's music. It's a really fun time to watch. So this is what it looks like with the hook on it. And we're going to put it on the tree. I'll put it right here under the bow. I don't know. Yeah, you can see that. All right. So today, let's start with the pony advent calendar first. And since it is day 10, let's see. It's a small box. Here we go. It's upside down, but that's what the box looks like. My song suggestion today is Baby Christmas, Baby Please Come Home by Darlene Love. The original, it's a fun song that I'm sure everyone has heard. I don't know what these are, but I'm enjoying. This is what the bottom looks like, and that's the top. I'm going to obviously read the description because I'm confused. Oh, 2 small point protectors. These smart caps cover the tips of your knitting pin points. They fit sizes 2.5 to 5 millimeter. I don't knit. I'm going to learn how to knit, so I'm going to keep these so I can use these in the future. But this is cool. And let's see what we got from Santa and our other calendar. So we're on day 10, guys. So it's just oh, I didn't even show you guys. So it's down here in the snow. And as you guessed it, I fell. Another egg. So yeah, that's today. And also, you see the poinsettia is holding up pretty well. I've been watering it each day to make sure it stays hydrated, especially since I have my heat on. And I don't want it to get too hot. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye.